Hey everyone, today, we're going to explore a powerful data visualization technique, which is color conditional formatting in Tableau Public. Suppose we have this dashboard. It shows the monthly sales, units sold, and profit per each year, from 2014 to 2017. I will show you how to make your charts more impactful, by highlighting months with sales above and below the average, using different colors. In addition to that, we will also discuss how to highlight the maximum and minimum sales months. Let's get started. First, we'll start by importing our data into Tableau Public. Then, we go to our sheet. We plot our monthly sales as a bar chart. We drag the month portion of our order date into the columns field. We adjust its format so that it only shows the first letter of the month. Great. We drag sales to the rows field and change the chart type into bar. Then, we go to the Analytics tab and add the average line to our chart. After that, we go and adjust the formatting of our chart by hiding unneeded titles, axes, and lines. We also adjust the font format of our horizontal axis and the average line. Excellent. Now, we need to apply our color conditional formatting. First of all, we go and create new calculated field. We name it monthly sales and type its formula. Here we tell Tableau to group our data by month, and return the total sales for each one. Then, we add another field, with a name maximum sales month. We type in it, if monthly sales equal to the maximum monthly sales, then return 1, else, return 0. We drag our new field to the graph color section and convert it into discrete. Then, we adjust the colors to what we want. We add year to the filter section and convert it to single value list, and remove the all option. Lastly, there is something we need to take care of. As we see, although December is not the maximum sales month for the filtered year, it's highlighted as the maximum. This is because it is truly the maximum sales month, but for all year, not just the filtered year. To solve this problem, we go to our filter, right-click, and select Add to Context. This tells Tableau to decide which has the maximum sales, after filtering data for our desired year. And here it is. It works well. What if we also want to highlight the minimum sales month? To do this, go to the field Maximum Sales Month, and add a new condition that, if monthly sales equal to the minimum monthly sales, then, return -1. We can adjust the field name as, Maximum Minimum Sales Months. Fantastic. We can repeat our steps again and again if we want to do the same with monthly units sold and profit. The second portion of this section is that, if you don't want the maximum and minimum months, but you want to highlight the months above and below the average sales line, It is almost the same concept. We add a new calculated field with name, above below average. It's almost similar to maximum minimum sales month. We type if monthly sales are greater than or equal average monthly sales, return 1, else, return 0. Then, we put it into the color section as we do before. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use color conditional formatting in Tableau Public to create visually compelling bar charts. With this technique, your data will communicate more effectively, allowing you to make better informed decisions. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials like this, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy data visualization, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.